We worked with the manufacturer, Blue Giant, to review the current condition of the dock lift, where we determined that the deck needed to be replaced. Next, we completed a full equipment review for the new deck prior to shipping to prevent any product deficiencies while on site. Followed by specific product training at the facility for our technicians and our installation team to get expert advice directly from the manufacturer for this complicated and unique installation. We arranged a weekend installation to avoid any operational interference. First, our technicians had to prepare the old deck for removal. For this installation, we organized and coordinated all trades to be on site to optimize the speed and execution of the installation. Next, the canopy had to be removed from the deck. Followed by the old deck being removed. The project manager was on site for the weekend work to make quick decisions and oversee the installation. Once the new deck was in place, our technicians reattached it to the base.
So we're done the dock replacement and ready to just give a demonstration that it works. So we're in regular mode and ready to go outside. And our demonstrator is going to raise the dock. And while it's raising, he's going to lift the lever for the gate interlock. And it stops, and it continues going up, and he's going to press the emergency stop and re-engage and continue going up, and we get up as high as we can go, and we're clear to the roof. And we're stopped before the roof. Excellent, and down. That's great. Thanks, Paul. The deck's in good condition. Everything went well. The lips themselves kick out, and they're well beyond the face of the bollard.